That was episode.
No, bro.
What is this outro?
That was low-key clean, though.
What the fuck is this outro?
Okay, well, okay.
Oh!
That's Aki.
Yeah.
Oh, that's that girl. So she has to still be alive, though.
No, that's that girl doing.
Oh my, what the fuck?
The song would not be on Rock Band.
Hell no.
Hey, good luck trying it on Rock Band.
Fuck no.
Imagine being the fucking... Who made this song? Who went in the booth was like, this is a hit? No! Okay, this part.
This is why, yeah. Sound super intense when it gets to this.
Okay, this is lit.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't know what the fuck that first part was. Hey, I'm not into Screamo, but...
So they're still showing her. She must be alive.
Aki.
You need to see him in action.
Aki?
Yeah.
Hey.
I mean, that was cool. Yeah, it turned into cool at the end.
You know what I mean? Like it has an end, but like a good like we know how like My Hero and all that shit. It's just like credits. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
This has like an outro that has like oh shit, like
Yes, I will give you that.
it's actually kind of lit. You know what I'm saying? Like you want to see like all that has to do it because we're not reading the fucking names.
No, I'm fucking.
Are you guys reading the names?
That shit's in a language that I don't understand.
We're not reading the names. You know what I'm saying?
We couldn't.